Hi guys, and welcome to Taste and Bloom. My name is Yasmi and you're so welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making something quick and chill. Yeah, literally. Mango grapes popsicles. I bet you'd love it, so do stick and stay. For the ingredients, I'll be using some chopped up mangoes, some honey, finely chopped grapes, and Greek yogurt. You can use probiotic yogurt if you'd like. So very simple process. I'll add my yogurt and honey to my mangoes and blend till I get a very smooth mixture. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy your stay by subscribing and joining this blooming family. So into my mixture, I'll be adding my grapes. So you're also free to blend your grapes instead. But I wanted to maintain the chunks in there. That is why I decided to chop them up. And again, this is an amazing nutritious puree for your baby if you're not making the popsicles. But we are going to be freezing these and enjoying them. I mean, it's raining in Ghana, but elsewhere it's summer. So do make these nutritiously yummy popsicles for you and your household to enjoy. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. I wouldn't be able to do this journey without you. I'm so grateful to have you. So I froze my popsicles overnight, but you can leave yours in the freezer for about 4 hours and you're good to go. I really hope you try these amazing popsicles for your little ones and the entire household, and do leave a comment down below. Leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and let's keep this family growing. Until we see each other again, keep blooming.